Hi, sis Princess. Happy birthday. Sorry hindi ako nakadating. Enjoy your day and wishing you all the best. I know naman na in times ibibigay ni God sa'yo yung mga dream and goals in life. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happiest birthday, sis.
Hi girl! Happy birthday, sis Princess! I hope nag-enjoy ka ngayon sa birthday party mo. And yung wish ko lang naman sa'yo is magiging successful ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo, sa career, sa family, sa love life, at kung ano pang plano mong gawin. And since 30 ka na, hindi ibig sabihin no, na kailangan mong ma-pressure sa buhay. Ganon. Period. Happy birthday, girl!
Hi, Beshi! Happy birthday! Happy 30th birthday to you! Wow! I remember nung start tayo sa China Bank, simula pa nung final interview, then medical, and then sabay-sabay tayong na-promote, and then we parted ways, but in a good way. So, I wish you happy birthday, and enjoy your day, your very special day, and I hope to see you again soon. Pag bumalik ka ng Philippines, lunch tayo ulit, and we might visit you in Batangas. See you! Love you!
Loves, happy 30th birthday! Ay, entering na tayo sa 30-hing era. Pero isa lang yung wish ko sa'yo, alam mo na yon. Kaya, Lord, please, baka naman. See you soon, loves. At ito, huwag kang mawawala sa kasal ko. Ingat ka palagi. Love you, loves. I'm always proud of you. Ingat. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Matis! Happy birthday! Ang tagal na natin di nagkakatsikahan about life and everything. Pero sana kahit ganun, alam mo, nandito ako palagi para sa'yo. Today is your special day. I hope you're happier than your ordinary day since sobrang special ang araw na to. And as you enter a new chapter in your life, I hope more blessings to come. And sana lagi kang safe and healthy. And I would like also to thank your younger self, your teenage self and 20s self for making it through, and also for her bravery in life and taking risk. And I am so proud of you, Matis. Mahal kita palagi. And miss ka na namin, umuwi ka na. Mag-lomi na tayo. Happy birthday! Bye!
Happy birthday, my dear!
Happy birthday!
Ingat palagi! Wishing you all the best! Bye!
Hi BFF! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to my best friend and to my bridesmaid. And we're very lucky to have you in our lives, and I hope that you get to celebrate your special day today. See you after my wedding!
Hi, Kaz! Happy birthday! Sana umuwi ka na soon para magkatsikahan na ulit tayo. I wish you good health, stay pretty, and sana mahanap mo na yung the one mo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday!
Hi Princess! Happy birthday! Wish ko sana lagi maganda yung health mo. Ligtas ka palagi. I-enjoy mo lang yung araw na to. At palagi kang i-bless ni Lord. And I'm looking forward sa pag-uwi mo. Meron tayo ng banding. Miss ko na din tayong kumanta together. Ayan. So, yun lang. Enjoy your day. God bless. Bye-bye.
Yes, happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. See you soon.
Hi sis! Happy 30th birthday! I wish you all the best, good health, and I hope in God's perfect timing dumating na din si the one. Ingat ka dyan palagi. See you soon. And we love you always. Gala na tayo ni na Prada. Bye!
Anak, happy birthday!
more birthdays to come, and good health. Miss you and I love you. God bless. Take care always. Love you, anak.
Ning, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Ingat ka palagi diyan sa Abu Dhabi. Kami ay palaging nandito para sa iyo. At proud na proud kami sa lahat na achievement mo. At lagi mong iingatan mabuti ang sarili mo, ha? Always, God bless always, anak. We love you. See you soon. Bye-bye. At Mommy, happy birthday. Yo, Mommy. Mommy, happy birthday.